Hello everyone, welcome to our Foshan Scientist live show. Today I will introduce to you two new products of our company, and then I will show you how to do the installation, how to do the system connection that, and operate the product. First of all, let me introduce our new product. First is our 200 ampere hour lithium battery bank. The rated voltage of the lithium battery bank is 51.2 volt DC. And let's come closer and see how the battery looks like. This is the surface of the battery bank, and it is with color touch screen. Okay, on this screen we can see the voltage of the battery bank, the current information, and the remaining capacity of the battery bank. For example, right now the battery bank voltage is 52.6 volt, and because we are not connecting any loads on the battery, so the current is 0. Right now the remaining capacity of the battery power is about 47%. Okay, then let's see the second page. The second page, we can see this is the discharge icon. This is the charge icon, and if we turn off this breaker, wait a few seconds, you can see the discharge is off. That means right now the battery output port is safe. There's no voltage coming out. And if you want to use the battery bank, after you do the installation, the connection between our battery and the inverter, then you just turn on the breaker. Then discharge icon is on. That means the output voltage is normal right now. Okay, this is the remaining capacity of the battery. Now still have about 93 ampere hour power. Okay, then let's go to page 3. Page 3 is each piece battery cells voltage. Our 51.2 volt DC lithium battery bank is combined by 16 pieces battery cell. 16 pieces battery cells in series connection, and you can see each piece battery cells voltage on this page. Okay, and this let's go back to the main page. And this two port is positive and negative output port. This is the breaker which control the discharge of the lithium battery, and this is the RS485 connection port, which connect the lithium battery BMS to the computer to update or change, do the data setting. Okay. This is the 200 ampere hour lithium battery bank, and the second new product is the high frequency hybrid inverter with built-in MPPT charge controller. We have two pieces here. One piece, the rated capacity is 5 kVA. Then next step, I will show you the complete set system connection, and then turn on the inverter and show you how to operate. Okay. First of all, the complete set solar power system including solar panels. This is two-piece solar panels in series connection. And the second part will be the PV combiner box. This is our PV combiner box, 4 ways in and 2-way out. And the third part will be the hybrid inverter, high frequency inverter, and with built-in MPPT charge controller. The fourth part will be the lithium battery bank. This is the lithium battery bank. And the first step for the connection will be install the solar panels and make the solar panels in series connection. For example, for our 5 kVA 48 volt DC hybrid inverter, the suggested solar panel connection rate will be at least 3 pieces in series connection. But on our showroom, we only have 2 pieces. So let's make 2 pieces to show you. And these 2 pieces, solar panels, are in series connection. Okay. And then the positive use the red cable from out to connect to our PV combiner. PV input positive side. This is the positive side. Okay. And the solar panel negative output side, we use the black PV cable to connect to the PV combiner negative side. This is negative side. For our PV combiner, we are using bit breaker, which rated current is 100 ampere. The rated current 100 ampere, and the rated voltage is 500 volt DC. This is the bit breaker. Okay. And this is the surge arrestor to protect the compressor system. And we have both fuses on positive side and negative side. This is a diode module which to combine the current from the PV combiner. You can see each piece of the breaker we have fuse, and the fuse rated current is 32 ampere. Okay. After you installed the solar panels and finish the connection between solar panel and PV combiner, then let's do the test to see, use the multimeter to see what voltage the solar panel is supplying. We can see this way. See? Right now, the 2 pieces solar panels is providing 74.2 volt DC power. Okay, the voltage is 74 volt, and because the solar panels is installed inside the building, inside our showroom, there's no sunshine coming in, so we only have the voltage but no current. Okay, just on this video, just to show you how to do the connection. Okay. After you check the voltage is okay, it's good, then next step we will install the PV combiner on the wall, and then connect the PV combiner and our hybrid inverter. Okay. See, this place we have already connected cables with the breaker. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. Okay. And next step, I will open the hybrid inverter. You see, this is the hybrid inverter, and this two is battery bank output port. See, this is a battery positive, and this is a battery negative, which connect to the battery bank. And as to the solar panel input, this is the PV input port, and this is the PV positive, and this is PV negative. Okay, so we just connect the cables, positive cable from the PV combiner, connect to inverter PV positive side. Just connect to this place. Okay, I just show you how to connect, but I connect it right now because the terminal connector is too big for the connection port. So this is the PV positive port, and then this is the PV negative port. The negative connect to this port. Okay, just this place, like this, positive and negative. Okay, connect to the PV input port. And after you connected the PV combiner with the hybrid inverter, then next step we will connect the hybrid inverter with the lithium battery bank. This is the key point, which connect the hybrid inverter with the lithium battery bank. Okay, so first of all, we will get the cables from the package. If you buy our complete set solar power system, we will provide you the complete set accessories, including the cables and the breaker. Remember, when you do the connection between lithium battery bank and the hybrid inverter, you need to add one breaker during the cables to protect the inverter. Okay. Okay. Now we will connect the cables with the battery first. When you do the installation, first you need to make sure the breaker is off. Now the breaker is off. Okay. Let's connect the positive first. Okay, and then we connect the negative cable. Okay. Then we connect the cable to the inverter. So the same. Let's connect the positive first. This is to positive. And the negative. Okay, once you finish the connection, then we can try to turn on the breaker and turn on the inverter to check if everything is okay or not. Okay, now I turn on the breaker, and then this is the inverter breaker. Wait a few seconds. Now the inverter is completely on. You can see the output voltage right now is 230. Okay, output voltage 230, and the battery bank voltage is 52.4 volt. The load percentage is 0 because right now we are not connecting any loads on the hybrid inverter. So after you install the system, you take the battery bank and the hybrid inverter, then you can use the inverter to take the loads. And there is one thing I want to show you is that if the inverter is on and you want to connect the AC output cables, then you can turn off this breaker. Please come closer. Now, see, right now its output is 230 volt. Okay, if you want to connect the AC output cables with the inverter, then first you can turn off this breaker. You can turn off this breaker. Okay, then you can see the output voltage is zero. That means the inverter is turned off the output voltage right now. Then you can connect the AC output cable carefully. And these two ports, on the top one is AC input. Okay, on the bottom one is AC output. So if you want to connect the AC output and use the battery bank power to take the loads, just connect the bottom one. The bottom port is the AC output port. And if you also want to use the city grid power, and sometimes when the battery bank power is not enough, and you want to use the city grid power to charge the battery bank, you also can connect the AC input city grid. Use the city grid power to connect the top connection port. This is the AC input connection port. Okay, and after you install connect the hybrid inverter with your loads, then and you want to use the power, start to use the power, just turn on this breaker. And then wait a few seconds. You can see the output voltage. Wait a few seconds. See, now there is AC output. The output voltage is 230 volt. And this is the video to show you how to connect our system and use the 5 kVA hybrid inverter to supply power to your home loads. And the next video, I will show you how to use two pieces hybrid inverter to work in parallel connection to supply 10 kVA power to your home appliances. And for the new friends who just come in our live showroom, I will repeat my introduction. Okay, bye bye.